Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. It's Saturday 2, almost 2 o'clock, quarter to 2. And then Danica and I were going to make popcorn. Our little popcorn maker made the popcorn. Okay, so we'll be back. We have McGarrett American popcorn, butterfly. It will turn out like a butterfly, okay. And we got this popcorn maker. It's a smart home brand popcorn maker. And we get this small scoop. So one of this scoop, one scoop of popcorn.
One or two.
And then put it in there and then just let it go and turn this on. Okay, so. Okay. So one scoop of popcorn into the bowl. Okay, the popcorn maker, and put it the popcorn and turn it on.
Don't worry. The corn fell out.
There you go. There's our popcorn. Okay. The little popcorn machine.
That's it. Add another scoop after this. Just close it.
That's it.
And then you can just pour the leftovers in there. So
Okay, so
you're still recording.
so that's it, guys. We got popcorn and
Nothing.
and then Danica's gonna try. Mmm. And I will try too. It's nice and hot and so good. The little machine is so
No.
cool and handy.
Now take the lid off. Now, if there's any leftover popcorn in there, just take the lid off and just get gloves because what? Use 2 hands, not 1. Use 2, and hold them together tightly, and then pour the rest out, and that's your popcorn.
Finish.
And it's finished.
And that's it, guys. Our popcorn is here. And if you want, we can make another one after this.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.